Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. A healthy body and glowing skin is something that everyone wants. A proper diet can make a huge difference, and people are making the changes needed to eat healthy. This is one reason why people are giving up carbonated, fizzy drinks that have bad side effects. They're looking for healthier drinks that can be made at home with available ingredients. One such health drink is fresh ginger carrot juice. It will help boost the amount of fruits and vegetables you take in and is very good for your health. These two vegetables have many different nutrients like multivitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here is why you should drink fresh ginger carrot juice. 1. Boosts immunity. This healthy juice is good for your immune system, and older people and growing children can be helped by it. The vitamins A and C in carrots help make immune cells. When it comes to carrots, choose the organic kind to boost the immune system. 2. Improves skin health. There are a few nutrients in ginger carrot juice that boost healthy skin and keep skin problems away. Because they are full of vitamin A and other antioxidants, carrots are good for the skin. They keep the skin moist and block acne, pigmentation, marks, and uneven skin tone. Carrots are a good example of root vegetables that have beta-carotene, which boosts healthy skin. 3. Reduces cancer risk. Fresh ginger carrot juice can naturally guard from cancer because of its anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-proliferative, and anti-metastatic properties. Studies show that ginger can fight some types of cancers, such as ovarian, colorectal, lung, breast, skin, prostate, and pancreatic cancer. 4. Promotes cardiovascular health. Carrots are very good for your heart health. The antioxidants beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and lutein in carrots help fight cholesterol and lower the risk of a heart attack. The potassium in them is good for lowering high blood pressure. Ginger is also good for your heart because it helps lower cholesterol levels, control blood pressure, and stop blood from clotting. 5. Controls diabetes. Ginger helps lower your blood sugar level and even helps insulin and other drugs used for treating diabetes work properly. It also helps stop health problems that come with diabetes and uncontrolled blood sugar. Carrots are also good for diabetic people. They have a very low glycemic load, and the carotenoids in them help control blood sugar. 6. Good for digestive health. If you have digestive problems a lot, you should add this tasty ginger carrot juice to your diet. Both ingredients are full of nutrients that are good for the digestive system, as well as the colon. Raw carrot juice works on the mucus linings of the stomach and colon and helps treat constipation. Ginger helps the emptying of your stomach. It lessens nausea, pain, and swelling, and eases heartburn. Also, because ginger can help force out extra gas, it can calm an upset stomach. It can even soothe the gastrointestinal muscles and therefore stop gas and bloating. So put your blender or juicer to good use and try making this healthy juice at home. Ingredients: 4 to 6 carrots, 1/2 inch ginger root, 1/2 lemon, cinnamon powder if you'd like, sea salt if you'd like. Steps to make fresh ginger carrot juice. 1. Peel the carrots, then wash them in running water and dry them. 2. Take off the skin of the ginger root and wash it well. 3. Put the carrots through a juicer to get the juice. 4. Put the ginger piece through the juicer. 5. Move the juice into a glass. 6. Squeeze the juice of 1/2 of a lemon into the carrot and ginger juice. 7. Add a bit of sea salt or cinnamon for extra flavor if you'd like. Drink it once a day. It's best to drink it with your breakfast. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.